Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change route on Google Maps, and this is actually very simple. At first you head over to Google Maps and you search for the place where you want to go. Let's say you want to go to Farmgate Police Box, just a random place, and click on directions, and the starting location, let's say, is Aldamji Cantonment. As you can see, when I search for it, this is one route which is going from here. Another route that you can see available is this one. So if I tap on this, another route gets selected, or you could tap on this one and this is the route. But basically, yeah, when you search for the place, you have to look where this type of gray mark is done. So just click on gray mark and your routes will be changed, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.